dimensions the Earth is splitting into. Okay, so the lower vibration and then the higher vibration. So there's an elevation of energy for those who have contributed already to uh, the spirit of the Earth. And scientifically, you can see that because the Earth is actually healing itself. So some of the damages of the planet is being repaired and then elevated, and it's pretty evident. Okay, now we're coming into an age wherein the age back to Satya Yuga, which is a golden age where technology will be the highlight and morality will be a lot better. Wisdom will be the norm as compared to this previous age wherein corruption and tyranny and also slavery prevails. Okay, it's not that those parts will disappear completely. It will remain in a lower vibration of existence. Okay. All right. All right. So you have to understand that human greed has caused so much suffering because we choose to live in a lack mentality. So like I said on the previous video, it's part of our karma as a human, as a race, that we cling to being codependent to the system because of our greed. Okay, so that's keeping the vibration low and allowing ourselves consenting lawfully, whether you're, let's say, okay, I studied law. I studied law on my own. Okay, but the thing with your freedom is you cannot be controlled by the system unless you acknowledge you are part of a corporation, that you consent to give your uh, corporate body to the system. So because most of the human beings on this planet, I don't know what's going on with the light. Okay, so I just got the window light, and I don't know, it becomes brighter, and then I try to adjust the lighting. Okay, I don't know what's going on. All right, whatever. All right, so like I was saying, so the more we have this lack mentality, we cling to the system. Why? We think that money is the wealth. All right. So money is the control mechanism of the system. So they can control you with money, on how much money they will give you. And then you try to live off with whatever breadcrumbs the corporations will appropriate to you. And you think that that is your that is the reality of the world, which is not. Okay, so you have to rise beyond that. Okay, so if you see a rich person talking, and whether they're giving advice, bragging, or showing off, okay, it was their choice. Okay, it was their choice. So you do not disrespect them because they chose money. Although it keeps the vibration of the planet low, however, every human being chooses which path they will take. So as you can choose to be in the system, you can also choose to live out of the system and then create your own system. when you create your own system, that's when you exercise your right, which is the key word is sovereignty. Okay? Sovereignty is not just limited to the context of a country. Sovereignty is in the context of an individual. Okay? So I am a sovereign being. I think freely, I feel freely, and I can move freely. Okay? However, if I choose to consent to live my life under the control of the corporation, let's say I signed up for a job. So, having a job, people glorify having a job. But you don't realize having a job keeps you in the slavery mode. That's the harsh truth. Now, the thing there is, I cannot, okay, as a person, I cannot judge you for choosing that. If you choose to have a job, that is your choice. That's the way you're going to live as a slave to the corporation. Now, they actually normalize that by having a term called the corporate slave. Whether they meant that subconsciously or in the context that they are making it as a joke, still, there's a truth in that kind of statement. Okay? So, for those who chose to work for the corporation and you get treated like trash, then basically you allowed that to happen. So if you're the type of person who runs the rat race and tries to run the ladder of the corporate ladder, it's your choice to be enslaved in the system. And whether people view that as good or bad is debatable. However, you are cattle for the owners of the earth. And your children too as well. That's the harsh reality that you will have to really consider. And you don't consider it because you have no knowledge about them ever being present in your life. Have you ever heard of this type of? Have you seen these like testimonies wherein the worker would say, "I've been here 9 to 5, early as 4 a.m., and I don't see the government ever." But that's because there's ignorance. That type of person is under the illusion of the system, under the programming of the system. They cannot see that they are under a hierarchy, even though they think to themselves that they're working independently. You are not. Okay? You are not. Okay? Okay. So, one of the many generational curses that keeps us in bondage with